Hey guys, today we will see the Alexander the Great Part 1. More than 2300 years ago, a boy named Alexander was born in the kingdom of Macedonia. From a young age, he dreamed of becoming a great warrior and achieving something the world would never forget. His father was King Philip II, one of the most powerful rulers of his time. When Alexander was 13, he was taught by the famous philosopher Aristotle. Under his guidance, Alexander learned science, politics, philosophy, and warfare. One day, a wild horse named Bucephalus was brought before the royal court. No one could control it. While everyone saw a danger animal, Alexander noticed that the horse was frightened by its own shadow. He calmly turned the horse toward the sun and successfully rode it. His father was amazed and realized that his son was destined for greatness. But Alexander's life changed forever as he struck. At just 20 years old, his father was assassinated and Alexander became the king of Macedonia. Many believed he was too young to rule. Enemies rebelled, hoping to destroy his kingdom and take advantage of his inexperience, but they had underestimated him. Alexander acted quickly, he crushed the rebellion, secured his throne, and proved that he was a strong and fearless leader. Yet Alexander wanted more. Beyond Macedonia stood the mighty Persian Empire, the largest and richest empire in the world. Most kings would have been satisfied with ruling their own kingdom. Alexander was not. He wanted glory, he wanted conquest, he wanted to conquer the world. But standing in his way was an empire so powerful that no one believed it could be defeated. A young king, a small army, and the greatest empire on earth. Could Alexander achieve the impossible, or would his dream be destroyed before it even began? What happened next would change his history forever. And guys, please like, share, subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.